Hey guys, so just so you know for this video, today is my birthday, so hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Sorry, I just had to get that out of the way. Today I played my first ever game of Airsoft. I gotta say, this is probably the most fun I've had in such a long time. It's so much fun. People are so funny and kind of weird, but it's fine. um, just so you know, there is a little bit of like a little bit of adult humor, I guess, in the beginning part. So if you don't want to see that, just skip. But it's pretty funny. Yeah. So I looked. I don't know if there's any language in the background, but I'm pretty sure there is. If I can't find it, sorry. Basically, this is just a caution. So yeah, first game ever playing Airsoft. I had a great time. I only got one video because my GoPro was acting up. Um, so I only had time to film the very last game we had. We are surely going to go back in the future, but we just don't know when. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys there.
That's the heroin. Shit. Whoa, what the?
Yellow team, are you ready? Prepare to engage the enemy in 3, 2.
Hey guys, so just so you know, spray fire is illegal in this game, and there are a lot of people doing that in the beginning, so that's why I'm just kind of looking at them. So yeah, there's just some context there for you. Right here, right here. Whoa. What?
Hit, man! You're hit! You're hit!
What? Yeah, told you there wasn't a lot of footage. Next time I go, I'll have a mount and stuff. So just yeah, to be honest, I was just enjoying my first time ever doing that, and I wasn't really worrying about this. So next time I go, I will definitely bring my GoPro. I think it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.